how you open the lockbox to get your key. So you go ahead and you get the pin that you have. So in this case, it's gonna be all zeros. So you're gonna put the 0 in right, like aligned with the line. So you're gonna go find your zeros and make sure that they're in the line that you see here. Find another 0 and put it in the line in your last digit, and it has to be all in the line or it's not gonna work. And then you go ahead and you push this here and you push this here too, so that it can come out, and then you get your key. And that's how you open your lockbox.